Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. Today is my mini savings saving challenge day. So let's get to saving. How are you guys doing? Happy Monday. So if you're new here, I have 6 saving challenges that I got from six different creators. Most of these are free and you can find these under Kofi, or they were a freebie and a order I purchased. So I have $50 here, and I have 1 2 3 4 $5 bills, which are my savings boost. And I am just going to mix these $5 bills in here. In total, this is $50. And I just find this a great way to save for my sinking funds. Just putting a little in at a time. And with that, how I play is I just roll a 6-sided die here, and I put 2 bills on that saving challenge, and hoping that each one will get some money. All right, we need a 4 and a 5. A 4 and a 5. A 4 and a 5. Okay. Sometimes the dice listen. Okay, listen now. Okay, that one got 2 savings boosts. And sometimes it don't listen. Come on, let's get a 4. 3, 1, 4. Okay, 4. And the last 2 bills go to 5. Perfect. Each one got some money. And once again, I did not make it to the bank to get my $5 bills to buy back my ones. So I'm just going to work with what I have. All right. So first we have a new creative here. And this is Plan to Save Designs. And I got this on her Kofi. And it says Spring Bloom, Dreams Bloom. Yes, they do. So let's see. How much did we get? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and $6. So $6. Let's do this 3 here and this 3, 4, 6. Perfect. And not sure how much this would save, but it's gonna save something. And yes, I do use what is on here? I do use real cash in this when I play this savings mini savings, because like I said, this goes towards my revolving sinking funds. And what that means, I have sinking funds that I put money in and I take money out as needed. So this is created by Paper Planner Papery, and it says $26. Nice little spring. You see, I'm getting to the spring because winter, I'm over it. So let's see what we got today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8. Not a bad start. So 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. All right. Next is a savings challenge created by Bookish Mama Budgets, Miss Lindsay. This says $20. Happy St. Patrick's Day, which is that Tuesday? I think Tuesday. I don't know. Like I said, I really don't celebrate St. Patrick's Day, but it got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh dear, I was not expecting to finish that just in time. All right, so we should have 20 here because each clover was $1. So 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes. And that, gems, is a completed challenge. Yes, and that will go into my completed challenge envelope. And I was kind of ready. So next we are going to bring in the Dying Outlaws 967 Games and Budgets. And this is Excavator. So that is cute. So we are going to make, so let's make, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's make each one $2 for $36. Perfect. And this is also found on Kofi as a freebie. And next we have this challenge here, and this is created by me. This is found in my Etsy shop, and it says $30, and it got today 1, 2, oh nope, got a $5 saving boost. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, $10. So let's do 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Perfect. Cute little bunny. Let's see how much in total. So far I got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, $12. $12. All right. Next we have You're My Lucky Charm. This is created by Doodle Dollars, and I made the coins here $2. And oh, what? Well, look at here. This who took all the money, well, all the savings boosts. So today got $5, $10, $15, $16. Okay, 16. So that's 3, 6, 9, 12, 14, and let's do another coin, 16. Okay, if my math was right. So far this one got 5, 10, 15, 21, 2, $22, and it saves 31. Perfect. And you see how just little by little it just adds up. And then at the end of the month we will collect all the saving challenges, the mini saving challenges that I completed for the whole month, and then we will reallocate those into the sinking funds. So this one is created by Budget with Carly, just drinking my coffee and trusting the universe. So let's color in 1 star. So this one, so far, I'm just going to put this dollar somewhere because it's just going to keep rolling over every week. So far this one got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Because since this is $2, there's no odd number there. So let's put this dollar. Where should we put it? So we can put it here. Or we can put it here. Let's put it here. So let's go ahead and get rid of one of these dollars here. So next time this will need $4, $5, $6, $7. Perfect. Uh-oh. All right. And my friends, that is how I do my mini savings. So we did complete one. Yay. Thank you, Miss Lindsay. So that is all I have for you. That was $50 placed into 6 mini savings challenges. And of course, like I said, you can find these mini saving challenges and different creators' Kofi shop absolutely free. Just go over there and search and you will find them. You can also search my Kofi too, and you will find some freebies there for you to enjoy and play and save some money. So thank you so much, Gems, for the love and support. If you're not already, feel free to subscribe to my channel and share with a friend. And that's all I have. Remember to stay magical. Bye, Gems.